guys, welcome back to Keeping Up with Chyna. Today we're back with another video. If you're new, welcome. If you're not, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I'm not even gonna talk about anything else, you guys. I'm trying to go straight to the point, okay? You guys don't mind my hand. But anyways, I'm just gonna go straight to the point, you guys. I'm gonna be talking about one specific thing that I feel like a lot of people don't really pay too much attention, and they don't really emphasize or talk about it too much when it comes to growing your locks. I know everybody wants longer locks, beautiful locks, you guys. I know that's the goal. That's what everybody wants, okay? I also want to go over how, you know, we all, I say this all the time, but we all have to understand that we all don't have the same hair. Like, I feel like, you know, a lot of people, like, I get a lot of DMs, you guys, a lot of DMs talking about, oh, they love my hair, or how they want my hair to look just like that they want their hair or their locks to look just like mine and all that stuff. And I'm like, okay, that's nice. I feel like you can have inspirations, you know, but I also get like a lot of DMs asking about how, like, you know, what are some tips, what like, you know, what to do. But basically, like, if people are asking me what to do, I mean, like, advice and stuff like that. But I feel like, you know, because, like, for me to tell you, I can't really tell you what to do with your locks, because one, I don't know your hair. I don't know your hair. You're the only one who knows your hair. I can give you a very broad advice, but just know that not everything works for everybody. You know, just because something works for me and I like it, my hair likes it, doesn't mean that it's going to work for you. So that's one thing that I feel like a lot of people, that's a very big misconception, and people just really don't, you know, they just think that, you know, I want this and that, my hair is gonna look just like it. I want it to look just like that, and if it doesn't, people just get disappointed, you know. So that's one thing that's really big. Just know that, you know, everybody's hair is not the same. You know, like, my hair is not the same as my sister's hair. Our hair type, our hair texture is totally different. We both have thick hair, yes, but you know, her hair texture is totally different from my hair. So that's another thing too. And all of those things, you know, also play a part of how your hair is going to turn out. Okay, so that's the number one. I wanted to address that because I get a lot of questions about that. Or, you know, I want my hair to look just like yours. I'm like, I'm not gonna tell you it is, because I don't know your hair, you know. So this one thing that I was talking about, one thing that is very, very important, that, you know, a lot of people, I feel like, don't really put too much emphasis on it, and which is really important, is a healthy scalp, you guys. A healthy scalp. If you really want longer locks, you guys, make sure that your roots, your scalp is healthy, okay? And I'm gonna go a little bit more in depth and, you know, into what I mean by healthy. Number one, make sure you are washing your hair. I know some people go like 6 weeks, 4 weeks and stuff like that without washing their hair. Our hair loves water, and also clean scalp, you guys. If you want beautiful long locks, you guys, you have your scalp is your foundation, okay? If your foundation is not clean and you're not treating it right, of course, you know, like, you know, locks don't just grow from the roots and, you know, and just locks. You grow natural loose hair from your scalp, and then it turns into locks eventually. It's very important that you take care of your roots, because, I mean, not just your roots, your scalp, because your scalp, that's where the hair grow, you know, comes out of, you know. So it's very important that, you know, I feel like people just forget, like, you know, not really forget, like, they pay so much attention to their hair and all these products, blah 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 blah. So that's number one, wash your locks. So the number two, I will also say for you, massaging your locks. You know, massaging your locks have so much benefits. I know that, you know, when I massage my locks, you guys, it just feels so good. Like, after a lot, like, for example, after I'm done with this video, I'm gonna remove my ponytail thing over here and massage my hair, and my hair loves it. It feels so nice, and you can just feel the circulation in your hair, in your scalp, you guys. Massage the scalp. Like, you don't have to do it every day, but, like, pick, like, you know, a day or two out of the weeks, you know, oil it, you know, moisturize it and massage it. Like I'm not gonna lie to you guys and tell you guys I massage my hair every day, because I don't, and I don't moisturize it every day, because I don't. But you know, on the days that I do massage them, or I mean oil them and moisturize them, I make sure that, you know, I massage them, you know, and so that, you know, it can promote hair growth, you know, so that blood can circulate to the scalp and, you know, promote hair growth, you guys. That's very important. Make sure you massage your locks. And then another thing I would say is, you know, keep it minimal. Like, and I'm not saying, you know, if you're using certain products, blah blah, don't use them. If that works for you, more power to you. But for me, I feel like, you know, a lot of the time less can always be a good thing. You don't need to use a lot of products, you know. I just believe that I don't need all those things. I don't need you know, like spraying stuff to put down my edges. I don't need the gel. All I use is a clarifying shampoo, a moisturizing shampoo, edge control, my oil, my aloe vera, and my rose water, and mix whatever for moisturizing, and that's all I need. Yeah, guys, I don't need all the crazy stuff that people use. I don't need it. I just don't need it. I feel like I just don't need it. Like, my hair has been doing well without them. Like, you know, I just, like, every day I feel my scalp, I feel my hair, I feel it. If it feels dry, I feel like I need something, I spray them or whatever. And if it's very itchy and I'm like, you know, itching all the time and it's very scaly, and I see if it's like, you know, if I see that it's dirty, then that means it's time for a wash. Like, listen to your hair. Like, your hair will tell you what it needs. Like, if it's too dry, like if you feel on your hair, you will feel it and see that, you know, it needs something, especially your scalp too. If it's itching a lot, you know, and it's a lot of stuff in it, you know that it's time for you to wash your hair, you know. So I'm trying to wash my hair more, and I'm trying to do like every 2 weeks now, because I used to do like once a month. But I realized that, you know, I want to promote, you know, cleaner scalp, and, you know, I don't want to go like a month or 6 weeks or whatever. I mean, if you've been doing that and it worked for you, go ahead, more power to you. I'm not saying don't do that, but a clean scalp, massaging it and you know, oiling and stuff like that, you know, that really promotes, you know, hair growth, you guys. Especially when you're massaging it, you're stimulating the blood flow through your scalp. That really helps a lot, you guys. So if you're doing all these things, like, and, you know, a lot of people, they always say, you know, use this oil or use this product, it's gonna make your hair grow crazy, you know. Yes, but if you're not doing the other stuff, if you're not, like, you know, keeping your scalp clean, and you're not massaging your locks, I feel like everything works hand in hand. If you're not doing one and you're, you know, leaving out another, you know, it might not, you know, your result might not be as, you know, sudden or faster as someone who's doing all those things. Everybody uses some, you know, different things for different reasons. You know, for example, if you have dry scalp, of course you'll want to use something that's moisturizing, or something that's, you know, like if it's very itchy, you know, like, you know, anti-fungal or you know, like stuff like that, or anti-itch, or like tea tree, stuff like that, you know, stuff like that. So see what, you know, everybody don't have the same situation, or they don't have the same hair. So, you know, use whatever products that, you know, works for you and stuff like that. With me, I like to just keep it simple, very minimal, and my hair has been loving it for, like, over the years. Like, I don't really do much to them. I just style them once in a while. Most of the time, you guys, unless I'm like going out somewhere, like, you know, nice, even that, sometimes I don't feel like, you know, doing updos and styles and stuff like that. I do them like once in a while. I leave in those styles probably like for like a day, and then my hair just down, because I love just, my hair just feels, it just feels better when it's just down, and not like, you know, the pressure and all that tension and stuff like that. You know, if you have like a area where, like, you know, if you feel like it's not doing its best, like, for example, it's a little weaker, very tender, it's like, you know, the hair's not growing as thick, like, you know, the roots, like, for example, your edges, a lot of people always have problem with their edges. The edges are always like they're always like, you know, thinning out and they're not really growing, you know, those areas I feel like you need to really, you know, massage those areas, keep them clean. You know, we do like the edge control, all those buildups and stuff like that, and then people just, you know, just keep on adding more and more, not washing it out and cleaning it, and then put the oils or the, like, if you're just literally just adding more stuff into it and you're not washing it out and, you know, oiling your scalp and massaging your scalp, of course they're not gonna grow. Okay, if you want them to grow, make sure that you keep them clean. Make sure you're like, you know, massaging them, stimulating the your blood flow to that area specifically, so that, you know, and then when you add the oil, that can help to, like, you know, really do what it needs to do and promote your hair growth. So that's very important also to, like, to really take your time in those areas where you think that you're having, you know, a little problem or whatever, you know, really massage it and just, you know, give it a little extra love, a little extra care. So, but yeah, guys, that's really what I really wanted to come on here to talk to you about. Okay, let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys have any other tips on other ways that, you know, can help promote hair growth or help grow your locks faster. Because I honestly, guys, from year 3 to 4, guys, I've seen a dramatic change in length, you guys. Like, my hair, like, I remember, like, year 3, my hair was like right here. Now it's like right here, like on my boobs, like, and when I do like a back photo, you guys, it's like all the way my, like, back, like down my bra strap, you guys. So it's like, it's a big difference. And why? And people ask me all the time, like, what do you do that makes your hair grow so long? Nothing. Like, I really don't do much. I just keep them moisturized. I massage my scalp. I oil them. I moisturize them. Keep them clean, you know, as much as possible. And that's about it. Like, I retwist once a month, and that's about it, you guys. I don't do nothing special. Yeah, guys, that is about it. Let me stop talking. Let me know if you guys have any questions, any comments, leave them down below, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye. Out. Bye.